Hello everyone, my name is Hurav and today we have a very special guest from Islamabad and a very close friend of mine, Mishael Wilson. So,
Can you tell us what your favorite Bible verse is?
So my favorite Bible verse is First Corinthians chapter 10 verse 31, which says, "So whether you eat or drink or whatever you do it for the glory of God."
That's a great choice. Could you share how this verse has impacted your life personally?
I think this verse is a constant reminder that whenever I am with people, I need to act in a way that represent who God is, because I want other people to see God from me, and I want them to see who our God is, because God has put us on this earth as our representatives, and that is a big responsibility on us to act the way He wants us to.
Before we wrap up, is there any message you like to leave with our audience?
I would just suggest everyone to live our life according to the Word of God. And we really need to reflect on the small things, whether it's about when you're with your friends, when you're with your family, when you're at work. I think we need to just remind ourselves that we are always being watched by other people, and other people are observing us, and we need to make our attitude and our behavior in a way that would represent accurately who our God is. So that's a message that I would like to leave with the audience.
thank you so much, Mishael, for sharing your thoughts and experiences us today. So, until next time, remember to live your life in a way that glorifies God. Take care, God bless.